Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we are talking about real estate agents. Real estate agents are some of the highest paid people around, but just how much do they make, and how do they differ from real estate brokers? Today we take you for a roller coaster trip across the real estate world. If you've been wondering the differences between these two high-paying jobs, then you're about to be surprised. Before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos. Real estate agents, brokers, and realtors basically do one thing: they help people buy and sell houses. Now they each play slightly different roles in this process and make money in different ways. First, a real estate agent. It's usual to find real estate agents showing prospective house buyers properties daily. In fact, this is what real estate agents do most of the time. They also work on paperwork, negotiate prices and terms of deals, and additional other tasks. At their core, real estate agents are salespeople. Think about a company. They have a product team, operations, human resources, customer services, and of course, salespeople. These entrepreneurial men and women bring in the sales, the cash flow for the business. To become a licensed real estate agent, you don't need any formal education. However, the license requires some special training. But sales and customer service experience are a bonus skill set or background, as these skills will help you provide a better experience for clients and be more successful. Requirements for being an agent are: to be at least 18 years old, be a legal resident, complete your state's required pre-licensing classes, and pass the state real estate license exam. You would be required to complete a background check, after which all you need is a licensed broker to sponsor or partner with you. As a way of maintaining standards in the real estate industry, real estate agents are further required to complete the continuing education classes required to maintain the agent's license. Real estate agents are like salespeople for real estate brokers. They may eventually set up their own shop, which is usually small, but they must work in partnership with a licensed broker to start their career. Here's the deal: agents take courses to become property salespeople. But they are licensed to do just that and focus on sales. Next we have the real estate broker. So if real estate agents have a professional license to help people buy, sell, and rent real estate, what is a broker? Real estate brokers are real estate agents who have completed additional training and licensing requirements. These requirements are not met by the license for an agent. If an agent wants to become a broker, they have to undergo extra training and licensing. The broker typically has more experience and helps the agents on the team with problems and challenges that arise. So, if you're an agent looking to be a broker and open a bigger shop, this is it. Go take the qualifications and off you go. To become a real estate broker, you need to be 18 years of age, hold a high school diploma or an equivalent qualification. You would also need to have 2 to 4 years of experience as a practicing salesperson or real estate agent. Real estate brokers can typically help a seller client as well as a buyer. This is because their license allows them to facilitate both buying and selling. If that sounded fishy, that's because it's easier when they are in both roles for different transactions. If a broker were representing both the buyer and seller in the same transaction, how would they be able to act as an agent for both parties? That would present a conflict of interest problem. It would have to be disclosed to the clients at minimum. These type of examples highlight why brokers need to have higher training to deal with complicated legal and ethical questions. Other requirements include completing the required broker education, taking and pass the broker licensing exam, and complete the broker license application and pay the required fees. So you're an agent who has the experience and completed all the requirements above. Congratulations, you're now on your way to becoming a licensed real estate broker. So how do they get paid? An agent may play a role in buying and selling houses personally, flipping houses, acting as a property manager, or investing in rental properties directly. There are a number of ways real estate agents can participate in the industry, but most real estate agents make money through commissions helping clients buy or sell, while brokers also make money through commissions. Agents don't get the commissions directly. Payments are made to real estate brokers for services rendered by the seller. A part of this amount is paid in the form of a commission, usually a percentage of the property's selling price, although it can also be a flat fee is paid to the agent who made the deal possible. Agent commissions are negotiated between the agents and their clients prior to listing, or entering a service agreement. This way, both key real estate players get rewarded for the value they add to clients. The agent gets a cut from the broker, since agents usually work for brokers. Being in the real estate industry is a roller coaster between highs and lows, between wanting to pull all your hair out and screaming at the top of your lungs, or laughing when you receive a big check for your services. Would you rather be a broker or an agent? Let us know in the comments. Until our next video, subscribe to our channel for more surprising real estate facts.